Hi, this is Diane from Creative Memories Home Office, and I'm excited to share with you today the brand new Christmas Spirit collection. So my sketch called to start with a couple of big blocks of paper, which I chose some pattern paper that I really liked and cut it at 5-inch strips. And then I used some other size strips. For instance, my border pieces, I just used small strips that I used in my Creative Memories 12-inch trimmer with the scallop blade. And then once I cut several strips, I added stickers, mats, I added embellishments, and the really fun part of this for me was being able to add a little decorative piece, which is a half circle at the bottom where the Merry Christmas embellishment is with the poinsettias. If you don't have the custom cutting system, that will be one that you want to add to your wish list. This is the mat, and it comes with 3 blades. 3 blades are available in to make your different sizes. So there's a red, green, and blue blade. This is actually the jumbo circle pattern sizing template on the top, which is what I start with. And the great thing about the templates, the mats, and everything is how precise you can get everything. So what I want to speak to is the 13 by 13 mat, what I started with. So this is the jumbo circle pattern. And it's a self-healing mat, non-skid, non-porous. So there's a solid side and there's a printed side with your measurements. And I've made the circle. What's great is that I not only have the circle now, I also, because I can position it perfectly, I have a perfect circled pattern paper that I can use for a second design. And you can use it with your adhesives on here, easy to read measurements in centimeters and in inches. So the markings are super easy to read in white on the gray. And you can also make diagonal options. So we've got different angles, 90, 60, 45, 30. And I just wanted to share that if you don't have one of these 13 by 13 inch mats, it might be one that you want to add to your wish list. I use it with my ruler and my trimmer for perfect measurements every time and perfect placement every time. So for this especially, I wanted things to be positioned properly and use my stickers the same and even measuring any part of it. So have fun with the new Christmas Spirit collection and with this sketch. I can't wait to see what you do.